What's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams on YouTube and president and co-founder of Blue Book MKE. In today's video, we're going to talk about clear objectives. And what I mean by that is that when you are trying to build your business, you got to be clear about what you want to do. And this is, we all go and run into this from time to time. And I think that this video will solve that problem or help you solve that problem. Give you a tool in your business tool belt to help you solve that problem. This is something too that I go through, and from time to time I catch myself, and when things are not working, it's like, you don't have a clear objective. Like, what are you trying to do? If you know clearly and you have it in your mind what you're trying to do, then you can build everything to come to get to that. So let me tell you about something that I'm working on right now. So I have a mobile app for my business. I have a mobile app. So we'll put it right here. We'll say this is the mobile app. So the objective is to get people to download the mobile app. That's the goal. That's what if people download the mobile app, people use the mobile app, we're able to sell advertisers to be on the mobile app. Like that's the whole thing. So we want downloads, because if you get downloads, that will equal advertisers. Or you can say plus advertisers, and that will equal making money. So this is the way that I get clear. This is the exercise that I go through, and it'll be like where I'm like in a way working backwards. So this is the business. So we know if we're looking this way, our focus, our mindset is like, if we create it, we want people to come download it. Advertisers should advertise because people downloaded it. But if you think about it, if you want to clearly think about this, is that's not really the way that it works. That's really not the way it works. Because if it worked that way, then everyone who made a mobile app, everybody who started a business, it would just jump off that way. So this is what we're doing. So we know that this is the clear objective, is to get people to download the app, because that's going to get advertisers. It's going to, help us build this business. But if you think about it, what is the mindset of the individuals? So what is the mindset of people who want to download? What is the mindset of advertisers? So we know for people who want to download, they want to have something of value. They want the value. Okay, so what is the value of the mobile app? And that's where the work starts. That's where you start to do the work, because if you don't figure out what is the value for the people who download it, then you've just made another mobile app that's sitting on the app store that's not getting downloads. So you have to start to put your value. Now, for privacy purposes, I'm not gonna disclose what our value points are for the mobile app users download, because then that would be hurting my own business. But if you have a mobile app, or if you have any business, is that what is the value to the customer? Maybe you have a store, you're not dealing with advertisers, you're just trying to figure out the value proposition for people to come into your store. Or maybe you got a website. What is the value proposition for people to visit your website? What is that value? Because when you do this value, is that what these value points do is it does something that a lot of people struggle to do with their businesses. And what the main question, this is the main question that users, I'm gonna put users here, the main question that users have, the main question that people who shop at stores, the main question people who go to a website, the main question of people who are looking to buy a product or service, this is that question that they ask all the time. What makes you different? What makes you different? So if we think about what makes us different and we have our value right there, then we detail what makes us different right there. So you see how I've made this a lot easier for you than just where you were stuck with creating something and you think that people are supposed to come to it. This is exactly what I had to go through, and it takes a lot of thought. This is something that is not easy. It's going to take some testing, and some of the time it's going to take, well, I would say most of the time it's going to take money to test out your ideas. So what is your value? If you build up the value, like for what we're doing for our mobile app, we build up the value. The value makes us different. That makes users understand clearly what makes us different. That makes users want to download the app. And what do advertisers do? Advertisers just see the value, they see what makes us different, but also the advertiser is going to want to know that people are downloading. The advertiser is going to say, well, why do people want to download your app? Because of this value that they get. Okay, are people downloading your app because of the value? Yes, and that makes us different. So that gives us user downloads, advertisers, and it helps us make money. So if you would like to have a walkthrough with your business, or if you would like to learn more about how you can advertise your business, generate leads, get traffic to your stores, there's a link below this video. I have a course where I teach all of this stuff in detail. And also you get access to me where I do webinars or special trainings where I'm just gonna, I'll help you out with your business. So please like this video. Please post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams with Making Money.